Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing OnePlus Pad 3 Pro and Lenovo Pad Plus Gen 2. Let's see this full video. Starting with body features. Next, compare the display features. OnePlus Pad 3 Pro comes with 13.2 inches IPS LCD display, and the Lenovo Tab Plus comes with 12.1 inches IPS LCD display. Hardware features. Lenovo Tab is powered by the MediaTek chipset, and the OnePlus Pad 3 Pro comes with Snapdragon chipset. Camera features. They offer the same camera features. Next, compare the battery features. Let's compare the sound and other features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.